we have come on right season. The water is literally splashing on us, so we have worn our raincoats as well.
नहीं
हम गोवा में
गोवा-
ही थे.
गोवा में ही रहते हो, लेकिन बाहर जाने के बाद वापस आने के टाइम पे आपका सर्टिफिकेट चेक करना पड़ेगा.
अच्छा. So beautiful as you can see, and we just crossed Maharashtra.
We are in
And
Karnataka.
now we are in Karnataka, Belgavi. I mean,
Then
just-
again we'll go to Maharashtra. Then again Goa.
Hey guys, welcome back to Unfiltered Stories, and today we are on the way to Arvalam Falls.
Falls. And on the way we found this very good looking bridge, I can say. So we just stopped to click some nice pictures for our Instagram. If you're not following us on Instagram, do follow us.
Okay, so this is how the road condition of So this is how the road condition of Harvalam is. Actually, Harvalam is a place name, and there are two places. One is Harvalam Falls and Harvalam Caves. So both are close by, and Harvalam is around 32 kilometers from Panjim, and it would take around 1 hour. We have reached Harvalam Falls and it's raining. We don't have an umbrella.
So we have raincoat.
With helmet, all protection. This is our OTT. OTD.
Outfit of the day.
Outfit of the day.
We have come to Arvalam waterfalls and water is flowing in full force. I mean, we have come on right season. The water is literally splashing on us, so we have worn our raincoats as well. It stopped raining now, so we are able to shoot. It might start raining anytime soon.
We are not expecting this kind of falls. It's not like you have to walk a lot and all. It's just 1 minute's walk, and it's in the city, right?
Yeah.
It's in the city. Other side of Goa, you just have to go a little bit inside, and you will find these amazing places like this.
I'm totally drenched in this water. Everything is, my hair is wet, my clothes are wet.
Don't even get down, see. So we are crossing water. So how excited we were. We got some nice pictures, but if you're planning to go there during the summer, especially this place which we went, cross the river and went, you cannot. There will be a heavy penalty if you do it. We got a nice warning and they left us.
We have reached Arvalam Caves. It is very close to waterfalls, and this is like a man-made cave on a mountain kind of a thing. There is a story also which is associated with Mahabharata. It is said that when Pandavas and Draupadi were on exile, they came here, they visited this cave and they stayed in this cave. That's why there are 6 chambers, 5 for Pandavas and 1 for Draupadi.
So this can be your one-day itinerary in Goa offbeat places. You can cover Harvalam Falls, Harvalam Caves, and now we are on the way to Chorla Ghat, and this particularly you can cover if you have your own vehicle. So the most exciting part of this is that there are 3 states we are going to cross. So now we are in Goa, we are going to cross Goa and we are going to enter into Maharashtra, then we are going to enter into Karnataka. सर चोरला घाट जाके आ सकते हैं क्या?
ओके जाओ. वो टेस्ट है क्या आपने?
नहीं
हम गोवा में
गोवा-
ही थे.
गोवा में ही रहते हो, लेकिन बाहर जाने के बाद वापस आने के टाइम पे आपका सर्टिफिकेट चेक करना पड़ेगा.
अच्छा.
अगर आपके पास सर्टिफिकेट है तो आप सीधा दिखा के जा सकते हैं।
सर्टिफिकेट है बट आज का नहीं है,
हाँ?
आज का नहीं है
कितने दिन हो गए
सर्टिफिकेट।
निकाल के?
When did you take?
मंडे का
मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे थर्सडे फ्राइडे हो गया, सैटरडे एक्सपायर्ड हो गया।
Expired।
तो नहीं जा सकते।
आपके पास दोनों डोज किया आपने?
हाँ दोनों डोज किया।
कुछ है प्रूफ?
हाँ
ठीक है, आप जाओ।
But we are not going residence now.
It is not a problem.
not
If you have taken both the dose, that is all.
Yeah, we are taking-
मतलब हम
डोज
महाराष्ट्र
के लिए डोज जरूरी नहीं है सबके।
चोरला घाट ऐसे घूम के आ रहे
आप
हैं।
घूम के आओ, आते हो उसको दिखाओ उधर गेट पे कि आपने दोनों डोज दिखाया है, उसका प्रूफ दिखाओ। नहीं तो आपको नहीं दिखाया तो आपको इधर टेस्ट करके जाना पड़ेगा।
ठीक है, दिखाना है तो नो प्रॉब्लम।
टेस्ट दोनों डोज लिया है तो आप दिखा के जा सकते हो।
ठीक है, थैंक यू सर।
You're welcome.
Such a nice police here, Aish. Goan police here, no? Yeah, I mean, when we entered Goa, they asked RT-PCR test. So we were expecting like they'll ask RT-PCR test now also, since we are crossing the border. But it's not required now. The vaccination certificate, complete vaccination certificate is enough. It's really great, and I really love the way the Goan police talked to us. I mean, he explained everything properly. Such a nice police. We are here in Chorla Ghat. It's so beautiful, as you can see, and we just crossed Maharashtra,
We are in
and
Karnataka.
now we are in Karnataka, Belgavi. I mean,
Then
just
again we'll go to Maharashtra. Then again Goa. So I think in this trip almost we are covering 3 states.
yeah, I think we can consider as a
Because
sixth
with
state.
COVID I don't know if we can cover a 10 states.
Yes.
Chorla Ghat is between these 3 states, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Goa. And right now we are in the Belgavi side of Chorla Ghat, and the view from here is really breathtakingly beautiful. Since it is a monsoon season, everywhere it is greenery. There are so many waterfalls, so many water streams. Everything looks really beautiful here.
So just like that, you can see many waterfalls here, and there are 2 waterfalls on the far which our camera could not capture, but you have to come here and witness it. This is really beautiful, and Chorla Ghat is around 26-30 kilometer from Harvelam waterfalls. So you can surely come to Chorla Ghat if you visit Harvelam waterfall just for the ride. It's really beautiful. हाँ, वी वर स्टेइंग इन गोवा. हम गोवा पे रहते थे. चोरला घाट.
दो डोज का सर्टिफिकेट है.
हाँ 2 डोज का दिखाओ.
है ना आपके पास?
हाँ है.
तू बघलेला कहाँ लगा है?
Thank you. Such a cool cops here. Goan cops are really, and such a cool cops they are.
Just 3-4 minutes from Chorla Ghat checkpost, we found this spot. We have seen lot of pictures of this bridge in Instagram and we didn't know the name, but somehow I managed to find out the name. That is Keri Foot Bridge. So it's a small stream flowing below this bridge, and we can see Madehi Forest behind, wildlife sanctuary behind. If you are visiting Chorla Ghat and you have some time, then definitely you can visit this spot. It's not any great tourist attraction, but it is just a local spot where very few localites only know. Not many tourists come here, so you can definitely visit it.
So this is one day in Goa away from the tourist spot. Please do check the description for more details. Please consider subscribing to our channel and don't forget to press that bell icon so you don't miss any notification. We'll bring you more unfiltered and offbeat places just like this. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.